Hi guys, today I will talk about this Carista OBD2 device. So all supported vehicles are Audi, BMW, Infiniti, Lexus, Mini, Nissan, Skoda, Seat, Toyota, Volkswagen and many other models. You can check them on the Carista website. You have to understand that Carista is an OBD2 wireless scanner or diagnostic tool that connects via the Carista app on iOS and Android and allows you to diagnose, customize and service your car anytime you want and without any help from a car mechanic. So there's a QR code on the left and on the right side. If you have a Samsung or a Xiaomi or Huawei, you have to download this app from the QR code, or if you have an iPhone, you can download the app from this QR code. So let's see what is inside. So it comes with this transparent plastic case. So this is the OBD2 device. You have to put it in the OBD port of your car with the writing part upside down. We will connect the Carista device to the OBD port of the car with the writing part upside down. The OBD2 port should be on the top left of the pedals on many cars. If you have the steering wheel on the left side, if you have it on the right side, you will find the OBD port on the right, on the top right of the pedals. I will test the Carista device on a Volkswagen Golf MK6 from 2012. So the first step is to turn the key in the second position. Turn the key in the second position. Okay. Then take your phone. We will use an iPhone. And open the Carista app downloaded from the Google Play or from the App Store. There are three categories: Diagnose, Customize and Service. We will access the first category, Diagnose. Carista shows you a list of the fault codes stored in your vehicle as well as their meanings. You can also reset the check engine light. You will also hear a sound, it's normal. So the Carista found 7 faults. So let's see, we have transmissions fault, ABS fault, driver's door fault, navigation, there is a problem with telephone, also with CAN, network getaway. So let's see the ABS fault. Let's check. And if you click on the ABS, there is a number, and you have to click on the 013114 number to see the meaning of it. So it will go to Google, and then you will see the problem with that fault code. Okay, let's move to the other fault. Driver's door. Let's see. So this is a 66048 fault code. That means motor for front window regulator. Then we will go to navigation. let's see, this is 1048582, manufacturer specific code. Okay, then actuator worm flap center console in the back on the right of V201. Then we will click on CAN network getaway, control module for navigation with CD-ROM, and radio 01304. There is a problem with radio. So you can reset them, but the fault codes will appear again if you don't fix the problem. Okay. Then we will go to customize. You can buy the Carista OBD2 device from the link in the video description for 29.99 euros. You also have access on the electronic parking brake retraction tool. You can make a service reset. You can make a launch control counter. So here we have chassis and engine, where we can find power brake strength. Here you can service your electronic parking brake. Then you have seat belt warning. Also here we have instruments, displays and navigation, where we can modify the microphone sensitivity, multifunction display, instruments, language and units, where you can change the instrument cluster language. Then we have time display format, date display format, temperature display unit, where you can modify from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Then we have speed display instruments, where you can modify daytime running lights. Here we can activate coming home or leaving home, locking automatic. We can auto lock doors when moving. So we have different features here: parking sensors, seats and steering wheel, and many others. Trunk, unlock trunk when doors are unlocked, yes or no. We have also windows and sunroof, wipers and washer, so you can modify anything you want from here. Then let's try and see the service. You can reset your oil service indicator. You can service your electronic parking brake or checking your launch control count. So this is the first service indicator reset. It's very simple. You just have to click on reset button, and the service indicator, it will be reset. Here you can generate the diesel particulate filter, DPF, then detailed ECU. Here you will have a list with all the default codes. You will hear some warning dash. That is normal. If you want to find more details about the Carista OBD2 scanner, you can access the link, read the complete article from the video description. It takes a couple of minutes to access all the details all the details from ECU. So this is the list with all the fault codes. So you can copy the list in your notes on your phone and show it to a mechanic. Also, Carista shows you if your car is ready for emission tests. That way you can avoid the trip to the testing station before the vehicle systems have gathered enough driving data to be ready for testing. Diagnose, customize and service. It's very simple to use them. The Carista OBD2, it has a nice interface. Also, the Carista has a paid app features, which costs €44.99 per year, or you can buy for €10.99 for 1 week pass. When you're done with the Diagnose, turn the key off, then disconnect the Carista OBD2 device from the OBD2 port of your car. If you have any suggestions, you can write us in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.